प्लानिंग कमीशन का जन्म हुआ, योजना आयोग का जन्म हुआ, उस समय की जो स्थितियां थी, उस समय की जो आवश्यकताएं थी, उसके आधार पर उसकी रचना की गई। और पिछले इन वर्षों में योजना आयोग ने अपने तरीके से राष्ट्र के विकास में उचित योगदान किया है। मैं इसका आदर करता हूं, गौरव करता हूं, सम्मान करता हूं, सत्कार करता हूं। लेकिन अब देश की अंदरूनी स्थिति भी बदली हुई है, वैश्विक परिवेश भी बदला हुआ है, आर्थिक गतिविधि का केंद्र सरकारें नहीं रही हैं, उसका दायरा बहुत फैल चुका है।
When Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the end of the Planning Commission from the ramparts of the Red Fort in his Independence Day speech, it was viewed as a statement of intent to reform institutions to give governance reform a further push. The premium put by the government on abolishing outdated corrupt systems was reflected again when Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari revealed that the centre was in the process of bringing a law to scrap regional transport offices and replace it with a system employing new technology to nab traffic violators. He lashed out at RTOs, accusing them of being corrupt and harassing citizens.
नया ट्रांसपोर्ट कानून जो व्हीकल के बारे में, इंजन के बारे में, पोल्यूशन के बारे में इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स के नॉर्म्स को स्वीकार करके उसकी तैयारी हम कर रहे हैं। इस पूरे एक्ट का काफी अध्ययन हुआ है अलग अलग क्षेत्र पर। इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड का एक कानून अगले पार्लियामेंट के सेशन में हम लाएंगे और मेरा विश्वास है कि इससे परिवहन डिपार्टमेंट में जो भ्रष्टाचार है वो पूरा समाप्त होगा।
Ever since it assumed power, the Narendra Modi-led government promised to repeal outdated laws to bring relief to citizens. These two announcements are being seen as the new government's attempts at governance reform. With the Planning Commission as good as abolished, the government has fast-tracked efforts to zero in on its replacement. The PM has invited people's views on what shape the new institution to replace the Planning Commission can take. He posted a series of tweets from his Twitter account on Tuesday saying, inviting you to share your ideas on what shape the new institution to replace the Planning Commission can take. We envision the proposed institution as one that caters to the aspirations of 21st century India and strengthens a participation of the states. A special open forum has been created on MyGov for suggestions on the new institution. Let the ideas flow. mygov.nic.in. In his Independence Day speech, the Prime Minister left nothing to imagination, saying in clear terms that the planned body needs to be replaced with a more relevant body since it has long outlived its utility. The Planning Commission was set up in March 1950 as an executive arm of the Union government and was chaired by the then Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The idea of planned development and 5-year plans was borrowed from the Soviet Union at Nehru's instance. The Planning Commission aimed at improving the standard of living of Indians and enhancing the country's economic progress through 5-year plans and resource allocation to states. However, Prime Minister Narendra Modi wants it replaced with a body which is relevant in today's times. Experts say liberalization of the 1990s triggered the decline of the planning era and diminished the role of the plan panel. Meanwhile, the government's decision does not enjoy across-the-board political backing. Barring BJP, most political parties are opposed to the government's decision. While parties may differ on that, the government's bid to crowdsource or engage with citizens via social media to seek their views on governance reform is being widely welcomed by people.
It will be more beneficial. जो सरकार जो नया पीपी प्रोजेक्ट्स लाना चाहती है उससे बहुत कुछ नया चेंजेस आएगा और जो पहले था प्लानिंग कमीशन थोड़ा ऑब्सोलेट जैसा हो गया था, तो इस हिसाब से ये बहुत अच्छा ये होगा, बहुत अच्छा पर्सपेक्टिव है इनका।
इस तरह से हिंदुस्तान को विकास की गति में लाने के लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और पीपी मॉडल के लाने की जरूरत है, तो कहीं न कहीं ऐसा एक इंस्टीट्यूशन बने, ऐसी हिस्सेदारी बने कि जिसमें आने वाले टाइम में भारत के विकास में उसकी भूमिका मुख्य हो।
The government has launched a website mygov.nic.in to seek people's views on issues of national importance. It is the citizens' chance to be part of the Narendra Modi government. The question is, do the government's initiatives pass the participative governance test, and will the premium put on it stay or fizzle out over time? Newsnight Desk, DD News.